Hello, Born Eraser here. This article just came over one of my news apps that I have. Magnitude 7.0 quake strikes Mexico. No reports of serious damage, which I don't know how with the 7.0 quake. But anyhow, prayers for Mexico City. Acapulco, Acapulco, Mexico, something like that. September 7th. A powerful earthquake struck southwestern Mexico near the beach resort of Acapulco on Tuesday night, causing rock falls and damaging buildings, though there were no immediate reports of casualties. The U.S. Geological Survey said a 7.0 magnitude quake struck 11 miles northeast of the resort of Acapulco, Guerrero. The quake shook the hillsides around Acapulco, downing trees and pitching large boulders onto the road. Hector, I'm not gonna even pronounce that. Hector, whatever that name is, the governor of Guerrero state, which is home of Acapulco, also said there were currently no reports of serious damage. Acapulco is roughly 230 miles from Mexico City. Mexico City Mayor Claudia Sheinbaum also said there were no immediate reports of major damage in the capital. In the Roma Sur neighborhood of Mexico City, lights went off and scared residents rushed out, some wearing little more than pajamas. A Reuters witness said residents hurled together in the rain, holding young children or pets, too worried to return to their homes in the dark. It was terrible. It really reminds me of the 1985 quake every time something like this happens, said Yasmin Risk, a 70-year-old. That there's suspicious. 70-year-old? Just out of the blue, just some random person that was 70 years old was interviewed, and there was a 7.0 earthquake. I mean, yes, it probably did happen, but still, what's a coincidence? The USGS said the quake initially measured a magnitude of 7.4, was very shallow, only 7.8 miles below the surface, which would have amplified the shaking effect. Reported by I cannot say these names. Sam Sanchez and Dave Graham. Additional reporting by Stephanie, writing by Sheree Nava, whatever that name is. So yeah, I'll leave the article in the comment section. It's weird because I don't know if you know Grand Supreme News, but he just did a headline article a couple hours ago saying Tennessee building shook, and in the comment section of his video I saw comments saying that people in Seattle and stuff and San Francisco seen a fireball. So what are the coincidences that the fireball may have struck Mexico and caused that powerful earthquake. I don't know. That's my opinion. I don't know for sure. So don't go with my opinion. But it's just so odd that people were reporting sights of a fireball, and then all of a sudden this comes out just a couple hours later after he reported on that. So yeah, if you don't know who I mean, it's the real GS News. All one word, the real GS News. Yeah, blessings to everybody. Say a prayer for them. It's something's gonna end up happening. A lot of us can feel it, and yeah, all we can do is prepare. Keep our head on our shoulders and look ahead and stay as prepared as we can. Because just like this, you never know. Alright, peace out.